most suitable to employ that jutsu. Very well, Kisame. But I'll still require 50% of your chakra.
Oh, do my teeth look yellow?
A little bit.
Oh, I don't like that.
If you add just a little bit more color to your lips, I think it'll look better.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it won't be as low.
This wig needs an overhaul. Like, bad. It's like Gaara with bad hair day, only he was already supposed to have bedhead, but now he has, like, extra bedhead. Like, it needs to be way cut short here. Cut short. Cut short. Cut short. Cut short. Cut short. Cut short. It needs to be, like, so much shorter.
What is it, Platoon? Someone's coming.
But spiky. But not excuse this part. This one part. This one part can't be sticking out because it's rude. Ugh. Yeah, I'll be giving this wig a hella fucking overhaul.
Yeah.
It's behind us.
The wig looks so bad right now just because it's like so weirdly poofy. I've already like chopped up the bangs like so much. Okay. That looks bad. This one side looks like okay. Just need to chop. There. There we go. Ah, there we go. If I hide all of that, make this hidden, it looks good. Okay. So.
I think you would remember a face like that, but...
Do I have like hair all over my body? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, I'm actually filming myself this whole entire time. My contacts. My eyebrows are poorly covered, but check out my contacts. Now check out my cat. Meow!
Well, as I said, the Jinchuriki
Yeah. You're a bumbler and a mumbler and a vagina.
Those clumsy traps of yours were hardly subtle, my friend. What you stop bickering amongst yourselves.
Deidara is fighting with Sasori. Because for some reason nobody in the fucking group knows how to get along. They're all just a bunch of ragtag misfits. And that's why they can't get shit done. Because they don't work as a good team.